couldn't make it. They all think that you're faking, but seeing ain't believing. I know now. I take all your stupid, burn it as my fuel, yeah. Cause we're running out of time, so I'm gonna make it mine.
The chosen one, I'm not the one to underestimate. I want the throne, I learn to crush obstruction, rush through barricades, levitate. Got it tatted on me, told them follow me. They see the vision, now it's 2020, clear as Tahoe Lexus, clear as day. No longer move around in fear, disarray. Pray you hear me like the winter wind against your window pane. Feel the bass, baby, soak it in and let it marinate. It's time to hustle, gotta muscle up and run through barricades, yeah. Obstruction, rush through barricades, levitate. Got it tatted on me, told them follow me. They see the vision, now it's 2020, clear as Tahoe Lexus, clear as day. No longer move around in fear, disarray. Pray you hear me like the winter wind against your window pane. Feel the bass, baby, soak it in and let it marinate. It's time to hustle, gotta muscle up and run through barricades, yeah.
Forgot their opinions.
Do you remember a time when armies were built and powerful cities collapsed? When the smallest of choices echoed through the pages of history. It was an age of empires.
Play it with Xbox Game Pass.
Ready to do this?
Hey! Who are you?
Got a name?
Cal Kestis.
Saw Gerrera.
I'm here on Jedi business.
Jedi are dead.
Not all of them.
A Jedi.
We have to stop them.
That's the plan.
The Jedi are not yet lost. Hope is not yet lost.
Yeah, I'm okay. You all right? No, we are not doing that again.
無様なもんだな。その程度のクンフーで俺様に勝てるとでも思ったのか？
変身さんを助けないと。
りょう、まだダメ。まだ無理。どうするか考えよう。
どうすれば。
何の量かな。
少し前にゴロツキがこの村を荒らしていったと聞いたのですが。
おお、今日はどこだと怒鳴りながら家探しをして、この通りだよ。
この人たちは一体誰なんだ。シェファー、これは。
知らないおじさん2人がこの家に入っていくのを見たんだ。
村の子供たちがジョさんの家にゴロツキが入っていくのを見たらしい。
岩尾
は俺の親父です。親父のことを知っているんですか。親父は殺されたんです。
お前さんたちには関わりのない昔のことじゃと言ったはずじゃ。
くそ、一体どうすれば。技を教えてください。
そう簡単に教えるわけにはいかんな。
何でもします。教えてください。
そうじゃ、その調子じゃ。お主には俊敏さが足らん。素早く接近して撃つのじゃ。遅い。基礎力もついたようじゃ。そろそろ技を伝授してやるかのう。よいか。
What you interfere with now is bigger than you can imagine. If you continue, you will bring down the heavens' wrath. It is written. It is their time to give penance. You are but one man. They are no longer your people to save.